about the same height. But anyway, we got there and we went to one of the playoffs right before they won the World Series. So we went early on. We were like hoping to win one game. Well, yeah, we won it all. But you know, boys and girls, we were there and we got these things called these rally flags. And you know, you wave them in the air, kind of like these, right? There's wow, right? So be careful not to hit anybody. But you know, I'm here waving mine, and my son is down here, and he's up here, and he's whacking me in the head. I'm like, yay, Phillies! I'm getting hit in the head. So it was exciting. It was exciting. We were rooting on the Phillies. They had come into the stadium, and they were going to win. We were so excited. Let me tell you. The next year they lost, so I was like, oh, brutal. But then they won again, and they lost again. We'll see what happens. But let me tell you, boys and girls, Jesus was getting on a donkey, and he's getting on a way. He's getting ready to go to Jerusalem, and the people are getting excited. They didn't have rally towels, but they had palms, and they were waving them in the air. These are bamboo palms, by the way. But these are palms from palm trees, and they were waving them, and they put down things in this street for him to go on. They were excited because